Hey everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to get all the helmets in a dealership tycoon Roblox game. So let's first of all get our car. So just follow me guys, and for all the helmet locations, first helmet you can find here, just collect it and start driving again. There's one more helmet out there. And I can see one more helmet on the road as well. So just follow me one by one, and just where I'm drawing, just drive there. So there are you have to collect guys 80 helmet around the map, so just need to roam around it and you will automatically find the here you can see we got one more helmet out there. Just drive there. No, we won't find any. There is a waterfall. Let's go. There's one more helmet guys. Yeah, here's one more helmet. So till now we have, let me see how many right, till now I have collected 18. I have collected, guys, 18 helmets. So yeah, I just need to roam around the map, guys, and it's quite easy, not that difficult. Just roam around the map and you will find the helmet automatically. You don't have to follow certain path, I think. Yeah, here we can see one more. So yeah, that's how you can collect, guys, all the helmets out there in this game. Just roam around the map. So yeah, hope you like it, guys. Subscribe for more videos. Till then, bye.